Good day, grade 3 pupils. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 1, Day 1. Our topic for today is Measurement and Geometry, Comparing Mass, Direct and Indirect. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to compare the mass of objects directly and compare the mass of objects indirect, activating prior knowledge. For pairs 1 to 3, noticeable difference in their masses. Look at these two objects, this ball and this crumpled paper. Which do you think is heavier? Raise your hand if you think the ball is heavier. Raise your hand if you think the paper is heavier. Raise your hand if you think they are the same. Correct. Ball is heavier than crumpled paper. Look at these two objects, this book and this envelope. Which do you think is heavier? Raise your hand if you think the book is heavier. Raise your hand if you think the envelope is heavier. Raise your hand if you think they are the same. Book is heavier than envelope. Look at these two objects, this mug and this paper cup. Which do you think is heavier? Raise your hand if you think the mug is heavier. Raise your hand if you think the paper is heavier. Raise your hand if you think they are the same. For the answer, mug is heavier than paper cup. Pairs 4 to 6. Bigger objects is lighter. Look at these two objects, this mug and empty tissue box. Which do you think is lighter? Raise your hand if you think the mug is lighter. Raise your hand if you think the empty tissue box is lighter. Raise your hand if you think they are the same. For the answer, empty tissue box is lighter than mug. Look at these two objects, this balloon and toy. Which do you think is lighter? Raise your hand if you think the balloon is lighter. Raise your hand if you think the toy is lighter. Raise your hand if you think they are the same. The answer is balloon is lighter than toy. Look at these two objects, the bottle A and bottle B. Which do you think is lighter? Raise your hand if you think bottle A is lighter. Raise your hand if you think bottle B is lighter. Raise your hand if you think they are the same. The answer is bottle A is lighter than bottle B. Pairs 7 to 8. Look at these two objects, this notebook and a pad of paper. Which do you think is slightly heavier? Raise your hand if you think notebook is slightly heavier. Raise your hand if you think pad paper is slightly heavier. Raise your hand if you think they are the same. The answer is notebook is slightly heavier than pad paper. Look at these two objects, this marker pen and ball pen. Which do you think is slightly heavier? Raise your hand if you think marker pen is slightly heavier. Raise your hand if you think ball pen is slightly heavier. Raise your hand if you think they are the same. The answer is marker pen is slightly heavier than ball pen. Today, you will compare objects to find out which is heavier and which is lighter. We will start by using direct comparison. That means we will compare their masses by looking, holding, or using a balance scale. Later, we will try indirect comparison where you will compare objects using another object as a guide. Lesson purpose intention. To compare the mass of objects directly and indirectly. Lesson language practice. Mass. How much matter an object has. We usually think of it as how heavy something is, but it's measured using tools like a balance scale. 2. Heavier. When one object has more mass than another. Example, a watermelon is heavier than an apple. Lighter. When an object has less mass than another. Example, a feather is lighter than a stone. Direct comparison. Comparing two objects' mass by looking at, touching, or using a balance scale without needing other objects in between. Example, you place an apple and a mango on a balance scale to see which is heavier. Indirect comparison. Comparing two objects' mass using a third object or another method. Because you can't compare them directly. Example, you know that a mango is heavier than a banana, and a banana is heavier than an apple. So the mango is heavier than an apple. Hefting. Using your hands to lift objects and guess which one is heavier or lighter without a measuring tool. Balance scale. A tool used to compare the mass of objects by seeing which side goes down, heavier, and which side goes up, lighter. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Mass is the amount of material an object has. It tells us if something is heavy or light. Lighter means less mass. Heavier means more mass. Let's compare objects to find which is heavier or lighter. For direct comparison using hefting, whole ball and crumpled paper. Which do you think is heavier? Hefting means holding objects in your hands to feel which is heavier or lighter. The ball is heavier than the paper, or the paper is lighter than the ball. For hefting practices, we have ball and crumpled paper. The ball is heavier. Book and envelope. The book is heavier. For mug and paper cup, the mug is heavier. These have a clear difference in mass. They are easy to tell. Bigger is not always heavier for the pairs 4 to 6. Example: a mug and an empty box. Mug is still heavier. Toy and balloons. Toy is heavier. Bottle B with water and bottle A with half-filled water. Bottle B is heavier. Mass is not the same as size. Small difference for pairs 7 to 8. Example: notebook and pad paper. Notebook is slightly heavier than pad paper. Marker and ball pen. A marker is slightly heavier than a ball pen. It is hard to tell by hefting if the object has a small difference in weight. We use a balance scale to tell their exact mass. The answer for 7 and 8 using the balance scale. For pair 7, the notebook is heavier than the pad paper. The pad paper is lighter than the notebook. For pair 8, the marker pen is heavier than the ball pen. The ball pen is lighter than the marker pen. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Direct comparison. It is weighing two objects directly against each other. Indirect comparison uses a known reference object to determine how heavy or light other objects are. Direction. Read each question and choose the correct answer. Here are the correct answers. Making generalization and abstraction. Let's review what we learned today. Number 1. Comparing mass directly. How can you compare the mass of two objects directly? That's right. You can hold both objects to feel which is heavier or lighter. This is called hefting. You can also put them on a balance scale and see which sides goes down. Number 2. Comparing mass indirectly. How can you compare the mass of two objects indirectly? You use a third object as a reference. First, compare each object with the reference object. Then, use the results to decide which one is heavier or lighter. Example: the book is heavier than the notebook. The notebook is heavier than the pad paper. So, the book is heavier than the pad paper. Evaluating learning. Assessment 1. Part 1. Compare the mass of the given objects based on the illustration. Fill in the blanks with heavier or lighter. For Part 2, compare the mass of boxes A, B, and C based on the illustration below. Here are the correct answers. Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!